Welcome back. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Friday. Yes, it's still Friday, almost weekend Friday, February the 16th, 2024. And I've already solved three puzzles: the 3 stars, the 4 stars Sudoku, and the binary. It's time for the Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In Dutch, they call it Cypher block. In Japanese, Suguru. And this one will be number. Let me zoom this in. 8019. 8019. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one is 14 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones is always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one is 14. But it's indicated with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. This is really 4 stars. We don't know. We'll see. So let's get started. Let me look for the single box. The first question, do we have here single boxes or box? I see here 2 single boxes, always 1. The single box is always a 1. Oh wait, let me put the 1 there. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? I see here dual box, there dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, the 2 is already filled in, so this box should be a 1 then. Yeah, so 1 and a 2. Well, this box can be a 2. This box can be a 2, so the 2 should be here and the 1 goes there. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, and 3. Let me check. No triple boxes here. How about quarter boxes then? I see here quarter box, there quarter box. When you see a quarter box in the L shape, remember that the inside box, this is the inside box, is always a 5. Okay. The 3 is already given, so yeah. I need more information. The other numbers I cannot fill in here. We have a quarter box. These 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Alright. And the other numbers could be everywhere. Here another quarter box. Overlook this one. Well, I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Yeah. Insufficient information right now. Okay. Next. My following strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box. All right. Here we have another one. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 4 here. All right, 4. Then the following shape. How about the Z or a S construction? If you rotate this, you will get the Z. When you flip the Z, then you get the S. All right. It's the same shape. Let me draw this one here. When you see the Z construction, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 here. Alright, it's connected with that box, should be also a 1, okay. But also, that box has the same number as this box. Okay, so that box has the same number as this box. Do we have more Z constructions? No. Then the following shape, how about the T shape? Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box, so this box has the same number as that box. But also, that box has the same number as this box. In this case, it's a 1 here, okay. So that box has the same number as this box, okay. Only one T shape. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. We have more of these kind of shapes here. We have another one. This box has the same name as that box. Here another one upside down. This box has the same name as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 here. Alright. Do we have more? No. Then the following shape, how about the L shape upside down? We have the L shape upside down. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. Alright. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shapes, figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 5 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These are 3 boxes. Surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this cross area should be there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. Alright. Then these 2 boxes can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this cross area should be there. 2 numbers left in this cross area for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 3 goes there, and this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. Alright, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 5, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1, 2, 3, and a 4. 3 and a 4, okay. That means that this box cannot be 3 or a 4. We have a double 3 there and double 4 there. If I place a 3 here or 4, I cannot fill any 3 or any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 3 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 2. Alright, this box can be 5. That box can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. And now, I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. Alright. And now, let me think. These 2 boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this T-shaped area. Should be there. These 2 boxes can be 4. These 2 boxes can be 5. So the 4 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and the 5, 4 and the 5. So the other pair in this area are the numbers 1 and 2. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be and the 2 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be so 2. 1 box left in this T-shaped area for number 3. 3 and a 4, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 4 goes there. 3 and a 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 3 goes there. Alright, these 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this Z construction should be there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4, we have 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this Z construction for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4, okay. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this L-shaped quadra box should be there. So 2 numbers left in this quadra box for numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4, okay. These 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. This box, I think it, no, I need to wait, These are 3 boxes, surround the 3 can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this W area shape should be there. This box can be 1, that box can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape should be there. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 4, and the 5 for the 5, we have 4 there, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Now I need to wait here. Alright, these 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this L-shaped area should be there. Now we have a 1 here. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 1. We have a 1 there, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. I think this box should be a 3, because it can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. That means that this box can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. Alright, 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area. For numbers 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 2 goes there. This box is connected with that box, so we also a 2. So 2 numbers left, the 3 and a 4, we have a 4 there, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 3 and a 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 1 and a 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Alright. I think this box should be 5, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. I think this box should be 1, because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 3 goes together with the 3, with the 2 as a pair. 2 and a 3, 2 and 3. So the other pair in this quadro box are the numbers 1 and a 4. 1 and a 4, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be, and a 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and a 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be, and a 2 goes there. 2 and a 3, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be, and a 3 goes there. We go up. Okay. These 3 boxes can be a 1. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be 4. That box can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be here. This box can be 2. This box can be 3. So the 2 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 5. These 2 boxes surround the 3 can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and the 5. Well, I cannot place the 5 there because we have a double 5 there. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 5 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 and the 3, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. 4 and a 5, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. Finish in 30 minutes. Well, we solved it again. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. 1 star, no. I'm faster than 40 minutes. So it should be 0 stars. And we solved it again. We solved it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And yeah, have a great and fantastic Friday. We'll meet again tomorrow on Saturday. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye for now.